This is a co-challenge for white. White cannot make a living shape. If white tries this move, black can actually just play here. And there's no way for white to make a living shape. The ice space is already too small, like this. Similarly, if white tries this move, or this move, or most of the moves inside, black can just play this very simple move, and white already has no ice space. But what's interesting about this pattern is that white can make the built two eyes method. Try to construct two eyes from within and induce black to start a ko. And that move is right here. So black cannot really come in like this. This will be a living shape for white. This will be a bent 4 shape eventually. So black can't really come in. All black can do is to push twice and start this ko. If black wins the ko, of course, black will kill white. If white captures back, black has a local ko threat here. White cannot connect because black can kill white this way. So white must stand down here, and now black captures again. And if white wins this ko, eventually it will be a pattern like this. So it is advisable for black to play at number 10 to use a local ko threat, because it is always good to play locally for a ko threat, so you don't have to find another ko threat elsewhere. Overall, not a very difficult pattern. Once you realize that if white tries these moves, black can simply play here. Right? If black comes in like this, then white will actually make a living shape. But what's really tricky is that black can simply play on the outside, and there's actually no way for white to play anything on the inside to live. Once you realize this move, moves like this will not work, then it'll be easier to think of the correct first move, right here. And for black, it will be pretty easy to see that the ko is the best result for both sides. Thank you for watching.